Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. Mocktail name is apple pie mocktail. How to make that mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on lemon, fresh lemon juice. Okay, 10 to 15 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to pour 180 ml of apple juice. The 180 ml of apple juice you have to pour into the shaker glass. After that you have to pour 30 ml of the Kalakatta. 25 to 30 ml of Kalakatta syrup you have to pour into the mixing glass. Then you have to take all the ingredients properly. Okay. After that, you have to take a glass and pour all the very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. You can garnish with lime slices and serve with straw. See how fancy mocktail is. You can try this mocktail. Very fancy mocktail. Very nice. You can try this mocktail, apple pie mocktail with the combination of apple juice, Kalakatta syrup, and lemon juice. 3 ingredients, very simple mocktail you can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.